Hello, everyone. Well, you're watching Data Analytics Professionals, and let's get started directly into this lecture series. We know we are talking about AWS and machine learning, and the current topic for this lecture is what is machine learning. This is lecture number 16 given by myself, and I'm a data scientist. Before we proceed, it's my humble request, please subscribe if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And here is the meat of this series and this lecture actually. As with any concept, machine learning may have a slightly different definition depending on whom you ask, but in simple language, machine learning is a science of teaching machines how to learn by themselves. It's simple. Nothing much to explain, but let me show you the five most famous sources, what they say about machine learning. And one of them, and I always love Stanford, and they say machine learning is a science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. What a nice definition from them. And then comes the McKinsey and Co. and machine learning is based on algorithms that can learn from data without relying on rules-based programming. This is also one of the good definitions. And University of Washington says machine learning algorithms can figure out how to perform important tasks by generalizing from examples. And I have a few more, which is machine learning at its most basic is the practice of using algorithms to parse data, learn from it, and then make a determination or prediction about something in the world. So it's NVIDIA definition. And you see they are a bit different, but I will just I'll show you how this all merges. So one more from Carnegie Mellon University is the field of machine learning seeks to answer the questions: how can we build computer systems that automatically improve with experience, and what are the fundamental laws that govern all learning processes? So if you see all these definitions, they are a bit different. And for a data scientist or a machine learning expert, machine learning is a scientific study of algorithms and statistical models that computer systems use to perform a specific task without using explicit instructions, relying on patterns and inference instead. So machine learning is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence as well. Okay. So moving forward, machine learning algorithms built on mathematical models based on sample data known as training data in order to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. Machine learning algorithms are used in wide variety of applications, and I will show you some of them, such as email filtering and computer vision. This is few to as an example, where it is difficult or infeasible to develop a conventional algorithm for effectively performing the task. Machine learning is closely related to computational statistics, which focuses on making predictions using computers. The study of mathematical optimization delivers methods, theory, and application domains to the field of machine learning. So all this you have to remember. And data mining is a field of study within machine learning and focuses on exploratory data analysis, which is also called as EDA, through unsupervised learning. In its application across business problems, machine learning is also referred to as predictive analytics. So these are all these terms which you might come when you are applying for a job. For example, somebody might say, I need a predictive analyst. Somebody might say I need a machine learning expert. Somebody might say you that I need a data scientist, and basically they are talking about pretty much same. Well, this was all about machine learning, but let me give you a bonus. Beside these definitions, which are sometime maybe confusing or sometime, as I said, in the simple term, we are actually, trying to make computer do, make decisions as we humans make. So what is the bonus? What is bonus today is this. So if you see machine learning, okay, once you understand what's machine learning, we will learn about supervised learning, we will learn about unsupervised learning, and we will learn also about reinforcement learning. And once you learn about all this, okay, and for example, once we learn about supervised learning, I will show you classification and regression methods, and we will see how classification is, the application of such algorithms go into customer retention, health diagnostics and forecasting. For example, regression. With regression, you can do forecasting, you can do predictions, process optimization, you can bring new sites out. And for example, unsupervised learning, we can do dimensional reduction, we can do clustering, and from here clustering we can do customer segmentations, targeted marketing, recommended systems, and all that. You can see all that which is related. So if you want to be specialized in machine learning, you need to know all this unsupervised learning algorithms, supervised learning algorithms, and reinforcement learning algorithms. You might be specialized in one of you depending upon your role, but we will be touching all this slow and steadily, and learn about all this in this lecture series. So let's move forward quickly, and before I end this lecture, it's my humble request, if you find this lecture useful, then please subscribe to my course channel. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and please leave your feedback in the comment section. Your feedback is extremely important to improve the contents of the future videos, and growing wonderful audience like you gives me more motivation to keep on making wonderful videos for all of you. And it's now time to say thank you all for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Remember, sharing is caring, and thanks once again for watching Data Analytics Professionals. Time to say goodbye.